It's another beautiful day. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with our class for today. So let's go through everything that we normally do. Obviously, we don't have our book bags to hang up, and well, we don't have our cubbies to hang our book bags in. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. But again, if you want to watch the hello song, I'm going to put it down in the description underneath this video. I think you have to click the show more in order to see all the links, but they'll pop up and you can just copy and paste them. If you click them, it'll take you straight to the page, which might take you away from the this video that you're watching. But if you copy and paste it in another tab, you should be able to just go right over it. Okay, anyway, we're going to get started. So first thing we do after we all say hello is we stand up and we do the Pledge of Allegiance. So I want you to take your right hand, which if I'm doing this way, it's going to be your right hand, and you're going to put it over your heart, okay? And we're going to look at the flag on the screen, unless you have a flag in your house. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now to the side, because I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dream. Okay, dreams. Sorry. So, next up is calendar. So we'll start with days of the week. Oh, but first we need to talk about, remember we have a new month. We left in March, but it is now April. Everybody say April. Perfect. One more time. April. Perfect. Okay, so April is the name of the month. We need to do our days of the week song. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, so let's see. Yesterday was Monday. Good job. It was Monday. So today, if yesterday was Monday, then today is Tuesday. It's Tuesday. And if today is Tuesday, that means tomorrow is Wednesday. Good job. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. But today is Tuesday. Let's count to find out what the date is, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 7. So today is April 7th, 2020. It is April 7th, 2020. So we're going to move on and talk about the weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? So what's the weather like today, friends? We are watching this in the afternoon, probably today on April 7th, because I haven't posted it before noon, but I'm looking outside now, and it looks, I don't know, looks pretty, I don't think it's snowing. You think it's snowing? No, it's not snowing outside. It doesn't look super cloudy outside, not to me at least. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds. I'm going to count back from 10 and I want you to go look out your window, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You're back. Okay. So you went and you looked at the weather, and what is the weather today? All right. So the weather today, I would say, is mostly sunny, and it's a little bit cloudy. I'm looking out there. It's a word called like hazy, where there's like a little bit of clouds up in the sky, but it's pretty sunny. But because the weather's been so different all day today, I'm going to go with partly cloudy, because it was definitely a little cloudy earlier, and it was also raining a little bit. But that was earlier today. Okay, today I want to talk about sorting. So I'm going to sort, and you're going to tell me, or mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa or whoever you're with, how I sorted, okay? So how did I sort these? Let's look. So I'm going to sort them a certain way, and then you're going to tell me how I sorted them. All right. How did I sort these pieces today? Did I sort them by size? No, because this one's smaller and these are larger, so it's not by size. Is it by shape? Let's see. So this is a square, yep, and then this is a triangle, sure. So did I sort by what shape they are? No, because a square and a triangle wouldn't be together if I was sorting by shape. So what did I sort by today? Go ahead, tell me, what did I sort by today? By color. Good job. I put all the red shapes over here, and I put all the green shapes over here. So I sort by color today. I sorted by color today. We're going to move on, and we are going to check out our numerals and count, okay? So give me 1 second, and we will, let me see. Oh, that's not what I wanted to happen. All right. We're going to try it this way. I'm not sure if you can see what I see, but let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we went all the way to 20, okay? So let's count back from 20. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. Okay, perfect. So we are ready to move on. The next one is that counting song. My 4-year-olds are doing my 4-year-old class is doing such a beautiful job of counting that their counting song is all the way to 100. If your student is seeming a little bit confused about counting to 100, we had just started this, so it's just a fun song to have them count as high as they can and to try to count as high as they can. All right? Perfect. It's just good practice. Okay, and now we're going to say the alphabet. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There we go. And so now we've done our alphabet. Next, we're going to go over our letter. And remember, we are reviewing the letter V. It is not one that is entirely too difficult, so we are just reviewing it the beginning of this week, and then I'm going to add in W probably tomorrow. So we'll be reviewing both this week, V and W, so I can keep up with the packets that are being sent home. So today, we're still going to discuss V. Today we are still discussing the letter V. And I am going to post, if I didn't already, I want to double check, but I'm going to post the mats. So the mat that you'll get is just the paper and it has a smiley face up at the top because the students know that when we start a letter, we start at the top. Perfect. So I'm going to try and attach that so that you can have access. But my friends, what you can do today, instead of if you don't have this sheet here, if you do, perfect, you can follow along. If not, I want you to just put your arm straight out and you're just pointing with this finger and you're just doing it with us while looking at the screen, okay? Whether it's on the phone, wherever it is, okay? So we're going to start at the top and I'm going to do it like this so that my friends know what I'm talking about. When we start a letter, we always start at the top. Perfect. So point to the top. Big line, slide down. Big line, slide up. What is the name of that letter? V. V, like van. V, like van. So V makes the V sound. V makes the V sound. What sound does V make? V. You'll see I'm putting my teeth right on my lip, and it kind of makes a funny sound. It makes my mouth feel like it's jumping all around, but V makes the V sound. V. All right. So, letter V. We're going to do it one more time together, and then you can play it back if you need some extra practice. But we're going to start up at the top, and I'm going to use this sheet this time. Big line slide. Oh, remember to repeat after me. Big line slide down. Big line slide up. What's the name of that letter? V. Good job. It is V. And what sound does V make? V. Good job, friends. The letter V song will also be below, just like the rest of the songs that are here. All right, we are going to do our nursery rhyme, which is, hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I got confused, so we're going to try that again, all right? From the beginning. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. There will also be a video down below for the nursery rhyme. Good job, friends. As said before, our music this week is Wishy Washy Washerwoman and Tootie Ta. So those links to those videos will also be below in description. Like I said, you might have to click the Show More button, and it should pop up. All the links are under there. And then lastly is the Read Aloud. And Miss Nichols is going to be doing that today. So I'll make sure it's uploaded as soon as I have it. All right. So I will make sure that that gets done. The only other thing we're going to go over right now is that today, if you have this worksheet, if you have it, I want you to work on this worksheet for my 4-year-olds. I want you to get a pencil. If your student is not to the point of holding a pencil correctly, and by correctly we've discussed before would be pinch and then rest, resting on this finger, resting back here, something that resembles this kind of grasp. If they're not able to do that with a pencil, just go ahead and give them a very small crayon. When they have a small crayon, it makes them use all three. It promotes that tripod grasp, which is these 3 fingers that they need in order to really develop proper handwriting skills. So if they're unable to do it with a pencil, a crayon is totally fine. But here, we're going to make sure we're practicing that big line slide down, big line slide up. Just like that, it starts at number 1. Big line slide down, big line slide up. Okay? Also, feel free, if you want, I would love to get pictures on Dojo of your students doing this kind of work, just to promote that people are doing it. So this was the worksheet I wanted to work on today. And like I said, you're literally just practicing over and over again with a pencil or a crayon. Preferably a pencil, but if you're not to the point of that, then we're big line slide down, big line slide up. All right. You have all the things you need for today. So go ahead and get started. I can't wait to see you guys again. I miss you so much. Have a great day.